Welcome to Gears Automotive. This is the selector of Octavia Mark 1 manual 5+1 1.9 TDI, which has 5 forward gears and 1 reverse gear. The reverse gear is engaged by a push system. The push system is seized in this vehicle. So on removing the gear selector, we find that there are no bushes in the selector cable. You can find broken bushes of the gear selector, which you can see why the gear has not been engaged. So the only solution is we have to replace the bushes, which we can find in the new cable. These are the new cable sets for 1.9 TDI, which are common for all the Mark 1 vehicles. 1.9 TDI, 1.8T and 3.2 4x4. So what we have to do is we have to remove these two cables. This is the forward selector and this is the horizontal selector. So we have to remove these cables, which are secured by these circlips. Two circlips for two cables. So you can find here there is no bush here, and you can find a brand new bush which is used to reduce the play. You can feel how to say drastic play in this mechanism when you have worn out bushes. So these bushes last long around 80,000 kilometers to 1 lakh kilometers, and replacing these bushes are bit difficult since you have to go under body of the vehicle and remove the exhaust. If not a professional, you have to remove it completely. If you are a professional, you can do it like partly remove. So we will update you on replacing these cables and we will let you know the solution.